Greetings. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's explore pipelines in Microsoft Fabric and how you can use them to automate your data processes. If you are tired of manually running your notebooks or refreshing data every day, then pipelines can do it for you automatically. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a pipeline? A pipeline in Microsoft Fabric is a workflow automation tool which allows you to orchestrate multiple tasks like moving data, transforming it with notebooks, and refreshing reports all in a sequence with no manual effort. Let's think of it like a factory assembly line. One machine cleans the raw material, another machine reshapes it. At the end, the product is ready, and all of this happens automatically every time. You might ask, why use pipelines when we already have notebooks or data flows? Here, notebooks are good for processing data like cleaning and transforming. In same way, data flows are great for self-service data preparation. In other hand, pipelines are helpful to orchestrate and schedule these processes. Let me put it in short. Pipelines don't replace notebooks or data flows. They connect and automate them. Now let's create a pipeline. Go to your workspace, click New Item and select Data Pipeline. Give it a name like Daily Sales Pipeline. Another pipeline with the same name. So let me give it as 1 and create. Once you created, you will see a visual interface for designing your pipeline. In this, you can add activities here, or else you will see activities. So it will list out the available activities here. If you want to run, you can run it. And in home page, you will see copy activity, data flow, and the trigger. Next, we will add activities to the pipeline. For that, go to activities and let me add notebook activity to clean and transform sales data. And now once you click on notebook, you will see that interface like this. In under this, you will see name, description, activity state. You can name this notebook as transform. If you want, you can give any description, but it is not mandatory. Then go to settings. Here you need to select which workspace and which notebook you need to run. Here I have only one notebook available in this workspace, so it is showing only one. In your case, if you have multiple notebooks, then it will list out everything. Let me select sales data cleaning, and that's how this data pipeline is created. And you can also add other activities like data flow activity. For that, you can see add activity and you can create data flow. And once you created, you will see connection between notebook and data flow. In this workspace, we don't have any data flow, so it is showing selected workspace does not have any workspace. If you have, then it will not show this, then you can select that data flow. Now in this, if you don't want this activity, you can delete it, or if you want to view that source code, you can view it. If you want to clone it, you can clone it. And here you will see that on success, on fail, on completion. So based on this activity result, the another activity will run. And for time being, I will delete this data flow. And you can also use Power BI dataset refresh to automatically update the dashboards. Now for the automation, let's go to Lakehouse and go to settings, or you can schedule it directly. Let's go to settings. Here if you want to change the name, you can change the pipeline name, or you can go to schedule and you can switch on that schedule run, and it will ask how you want to repeat this process. So let me select daily basis and it will ask for the time. Let's for me it should run every 6 a.m. So let me put it like this, and then start date from today, end date tomorrow. And once it is completed, then you can apply it. And once you applied, this pipeline will run according to that timing. If you want to run it now, you can click on this run button and it will show beginning run for this pipeline. And then come out. Now your workflow will run automatically without you touching anything. Let's imagine this for a retail business. You are pull daily sales data and cleaning it and refresh dashboards. With a pipeline, this entire process runs every morning. Your reports are ready before the team even logs in. And that's how you create and automate workflows using pipelines in Microsoft Fabric. In the next video, we will build a complete end-to-end dashboard combining lakehouse, notebooks, and pipelines into one solution. If you found this video helpful, hit this like button and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.